Promotions are a simple way to highlight special offers directly on your booking experience and make them more visible to your clients while they book. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create promotions that appear exclusively on your booking page and how they can also be displayed across your online profile experience. It only takes a few steps, so let's get started. Once your online profile is already set up, you'll find the promotion section under the same booking settings page. Promotions allow you to display active offers directly on the booking page, helping clients discover special deals while they're already in the booking journey. These promotions will appear only when you add an active offer. Here, you can create your promotion title. For example, in this case, we have the evil versus the heaven. And below that, you can add the promotional message itself. For example, upgrade your look at Supernatural. Enjoy 50 dirhams off on grooming services when spending 100 dirhams or more. You can also highlight included services, limited time offers, or any campaign you'd like clients to see. This gives you the flexibility to present seasonal promotions, discounts, featured services, or exclusive experiences directly inside the client journey. Once your promotion is added, it becomes part of the booking experience. Let's see how it appears for clients. When we open the online booking profile and move through the appointment flow, we can see the promotion displayed directly inside the booking page. So while the clients are selecting services and confirming appointments, they'll also be able to discover the active offers available. This creates more visibility for your campaigns exactly at the moments clients are making booking decisions. And promotions are not limited to the booking page only. They can also appear on your mini website. Inside the mini website section, Salonist generates a dedicated link and short link that works like a landing page for your business. When clients open this page, they can view your online profile, services, booking options, and promotions content. And as we scroll down, the same offer appears here as well. This allows clients to discover promotions even before starting their booking journey. Now that your promotion is active, your offers become part of the booking experience across your online profile and mini website. You can continue creating campaigns to highlight services, increase visibility, and give clients more reasons to book with you.